Seeing the message, sorry, TikTok isn't available right now on your Android phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it easily. TikTok has been banned by the law in the USA, making it difficult for Americans to use the app. But there's a simple way to bypass this issue. Let's dive into the solution step by step. If you already have TikTok installed, start with the first method. Method 1. Use a VPN. Using a reliable VPN will let you access TikTok even from USA. Go to the Play Store, search for a VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. For this video, I'll use ProtonVPN. Now install this VPN app. After it's done, open it. Then let it sync with your phone and your location for a while. Then simply tap Connect on the home menu. With this, you should be able to automatically set to a region outside the USA. Now if you go back to your TikTok app, you should be able to open it just fine. This method was for users who already have installed TikTok. For those who are trying to install it from the Play Store, you can try the second method. Method 2. Change Play Store region. Setting a different region to Play Store will allow you to download apps that are restricted in your country. So open the Play Store app. Now tap on your profile in the top right corner. This will open your Contacts section. Then tap on Settings. From there, you will have to tap on General. This will expand more settings, so now you have to tap on Account and Devices Preferences. Select the country you want to switch to. If the option isn't available, you may need to use the VPN. After selecting a different country, follow the prompts to add a payment method valid in the new region. After this is done, close and reopen the Play Store to see the content for the new region. This time, you should be able to install TikTok just fine. Those were the solutions to fix the unavailable TikTok issue on Android. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.